we've done such a wide variety of things. Sometimes we just go over to a pond, we get a bucket of water, and then they look inside. They just find out that in their backyard, they have a wide variety of ecosystems and animals that live in and exist together, and they just go crazy.
There's a lot of stuff that's moving in here, okay? And some of them are really, really small. You know, there are some things in here that you probably won't be able to see.
In that bucket, you can find like little fishes and frogs.
Those pinchers hurt. Yeah.
In a bucket of water, I would find rocks and seaweed.
I would find dirt or grass.
Even though it looks like there's nothing in there, there's all kinds of things in there moving around.
A lot of things that are pretty much green or brown, I would find in that bucket of water.
Oh my gosh, that's cool. In the water, there was shells, rocks. Maybe you can even pick up a tadpole or something.
Well, at Silvergate, we have a wide variety of habitats, and it's this connectivity between these various wetland habitats and riparian habitats that lead to a tremendous biodiversity.
We do a nature walk and try to have the students make connections between the habitat and the animals that live in the habitat.
Do you know what the word vernal means? Anybody have a guess? Yeah?
Seasonal?
That's actually close. It's related to the seasons, yeah, and it's actually spring is what vernal means, is spring. So these pools tend to pond in the spring. They're called vernal pools or spring pools.
We really focus on water and ecosystems in the water. So we'll go to a vernal pool, we dip net with our biologist who's permitted and has a license to do that.
See? You guys can see. Everybody see?
Yeah, what are those?
Those are called water boatmen. See their little legs, how they look like oars on a ship?
And then we go out to a freshwater marsh, and the kids actually get a chance to dip net on their own.
I got one! They found real alive crabs.
I got one.
It really is amazing. I mean, even one of those pools may have 30 or 40 species of flowers in it. But there's also all those unique critters that are associated with it are a reservoir of genetic material and native to just Central California.
Pick it up. That's cool.
We're bringing them out here and getting them excited. We really want to get them young and start having kids make connections between what they can do and how they can help preserve what lives basically in their own backyard.
Isn't that like a kind of new?
Yeah, they're related to newts.
I catch those on my great-great-grandpa's house. I catch like tons of them.
That's pretty cool. This one is another one of those endangered species. They're actually associated with vernal pools. So they'll actually lay their eggs inside the vernal pools in the water.
But what if the lizard doesn't find someone to lay eggs with?
What if he doesn't find a mate?
Yeah.
Then he won't be able to reproduce, you're right. So it's really important that you have an actual population, right? You have more than one individual. And so you want big areas like this. What we're on is 600 acres out here. That's like 300 football fields of this vernal pool type habitat. And so it's really good for those type of creatures that need more than one individual. That's a good example. It's a great opportunity for them to understand the complexity of nature and to see something that they may not even have thought was out there.